Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the home mentoring session organized by Director General Higher Education, Haryana. I am Dr. Anuradha, Assistant Professor in Department of English, MDST Girls College, Ambala City. Today, we will have a quiz session on the topic The Generation Gap, written by Benjamin McLean Spoke. Let us discuss very short questions. What is an inevitable aspect of adolescence? What does the search of identity mean? What does a boy at the age of 3 strive to be? What is the basic problem for the young person? What should an individual do to become an effective adult? What is the first element that determines an individual's identity? What is the second element that determines an individual's identity? What is the third element that determines an individual's identity? What inspired fearlessness, clarity, eloquence, and perseverance in Luther? Why should a young man develop ideas and aims of his own? Let us discuss now short answer questions. What does the search of identity mean to a young individual? What is the first formative influence on the individual? Why is rebelliousness common in young people? Why a child at young age strive to be like his parents? How can an individual gain a sense of being independent? How can a growing child become an effective adult? Let us discuss now long answer questions. Discuss the title of the essay, The Generation Gap. Discuss central idea of the essay, The Generation Gap. What is the significance of 3 elements required for development of personality? Discuss about the positive side of rebelliousness. What do you understand by the word identity? Dear students, try to solve these questions and stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.